Hey divers, it's Bella here, and I'm excited to walk you through Dive AI for Google Meet. So with Dive, your Google Meet meetings are supercharged with awesome features like collaborative agendas, meeting summaries, and automated action items. Are you ready to check it out? Let's explore how it works together. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you've downloaded the Dive for Google Chrome extension. If you haven't, take a quick pause now to do that. You can just Google Dive app for Chrome, and you'll see it pop up. It should look something like this. Now head back to your calendar and join your meeting. All right, so when you start a meeting, you'll notice new shiny Dive options at the bottom of your screen. Start off by clicking Start Recording. And the Dive AI bot will pop up into your meeting where it will record and generate a transcript. You'll know it's there when the notification shows Dive AI recording has joined the meeting. It will appear just as if it's another participant in your meeting with their video permanently off. So now you can go ahead and get on with your meeting as usual. Dive will record in the background. But if you want more time-saving features, you can open up the Dive tab by clicking Take Notes. Here you can add items to your agenda, create action items to assign tasks, you can review notes from related meetings for context, and you can even take private notes for personal reference. When your meeting is over, you can simply leave or click Stop Recording at any time. And that's it. Now it's time to review your meeting recaps and summaries. Dive can automatically send meeting recaps and action items to all attendees via email or Slack. So you see I have my meeting summary here. To edit these settings, you can visit the Automations tab in the Dive app at app.letsdive.io/automations. And you can also have your recaps in the Dive app by going to your Recording tab. You can click on your meeting, and you'll see the video recording of your meeting. You'll see your transcript. You'll also see the AI-generated summary and action items. And these are all built by Dive AI based on what happened during that meeting. So everything's right there, and you can easily send it out via email or via Slack, and you can export to Google Docs or export to Notion. And that's that, really. If you have more questions, we are so ready to help you out. You can also head back to your Dive app to do so much more, like searching through meetings, viewing all of your action items in one place, and managing your automated recaps that are sent to your email or via Slack. No matter what, you can always get in touch with us. You can click on the live support anytime to send a message to our support team or check out our help docs. And really, until next time, happy diving.